Well, here we had a large limb come down. It tore down our primary wires, our secondary wires. It broke the bushing on our transformer. So we replaced the primary wires, the secondary wires, and now we're in the process of fixing the secondaries and replacing the transformer. Tons of thank yous, lots of thumbs up, thank yous, lots of appreciative customers. 16 to 17 hours a day. We've been here about 4 hours, and we're probably going to be here maybe about 5 more hours. So, but once we're done, all this block will have their power back on. Yeah, and it's a little humid out, as you can tell.